I showed on your video, which is when I create this RAM, it was break down into three parts. The first one is this one, all right, which is we using the standard what they call the features under ARCI, which is called the RAM here. Right, hold on now. You need me to go to the plan. So ground level RAM. You notice that I have a few RAM here. One is this. Okay. By right, all this, if you are creating and if the height are different, they should create as in three separate RAM component here, not just one. Because if it's affected the calculation, the whole RAM will be affected. As you can see from the model, all these are still individual, not created as one. Normally, if a standard RAM that is without this separately, all this RAM is treated as one RAM itself. You get what I mean? So what I try to highlight here is I'm using the measurement from here. So another word means we got to calculate. All right, in 2D measurement. So from this level, which is if I highlight the RAM, or let me show them in color, shaded. Wow, everything shaded. Cost. We'll see at least some overlapping. No, nothing. Still fine. I'll set this to hidden line. Yeah. Okay. So from here, that day when I draw the reference plane, which is at this level, all right, the line is here, which is the 2D distance, right, from here until here the break. Sorry, not here. It should be here. See this piece. Okay, whole piece itself. Yeah. So when you start to create, you need to have multiple view to check. So this particular piece, you see the 2D measurement is important. So you need this reference plane. Okay. So for you all to start, I would suggest that you create all this marking first. So based on what I see or what you can get from here, you got to create the reference plane from the ARCI, also got track from there. So you can see when I highlight, you can offset 5009. So whoever is doing now, you may need to follow all this value. Yeah, if not, you got to base on the video to recap. Once you know how to create this, subsequent one will be easier. Yeah. Okay. So the tricky part is actually the arc. I mean the semicircle side, this one. Which is if your calculation out, there's always a offset tilting. Tilting, sorry. Tilt, T-I-L-T. It tilt one side. That's why when you look at the 3D model in ARCI, they actually have offset value, which is in real world practice, it's a bit difficult to achieve. But because of ARCI modeling, you might not, I mean, not critical. But if you are creating as a structure, you got to be extra careful on that to resolve the issue. So sometimes if you connected to landing, more or less you need to break down them as a flat level. Okay, so that's why during the holiday I want you all to do this. So I already upload the video right last time. Yeah. Okay. But do y'all go through a video? No, that's more important thing. That do y'all go through the video? It means you say lost everything means you didn't do, or you do ready, you didn't save, or the file just disappear. Didn't save, then you got to try one more time. Then forgot to save. How about the rest? All this, the platform, the landing, and we create the filter. So what you see from here, yeah. All right. What is this? This is the view range. Oh, the plan region. In order to see that, okay. You say loss is what? Semicircle RAM offset. The value, huh? Hold on, let me see. Because I need to measure first. What is the? Hold on, TW. Actually, from what I draw, you can see it's a great difference. The offset here. That means when this was created, you see the actual one and the Archi, a lot more difference. Realize it? The width itself has been changed. If you notice the south view is a lot more wider. You see now? So let's say if I select this, what is the height? Look at the value here. Try to copy down from ground level to ground level. That means same ground level. This is your base offset 5250. Then to this point here is 6855. So write down this value. Okay, so whoever that you guys are doing, you may need to set the value or create a snapshot if you all did not uh, go through that video how to create that. So check the value. Yeah. Okay, copy down. There was a time on the notes here that I have previously is only those estimated value. This is the accurate correct one. Yeah, this is what I can see from here. Okay, any other value you all need to reference? Because the RAM, I still want you all go which slope, the lower, this one, or the upper one, this one. Semicircle RAM. Yeah, I thought this one I already showed to you. this is the offset height. Once you get the offset height correctly, did not see which part here. The value is from the properties. When you set it correctly, then you can get it draw it correctly. That is your offset value. Cannot reach. Okay, look at the properties here. What do you set? The max slope, the percentage. Sorry, what percentage? The value here and the incline length. These two. Same. If same, how about this RAM then? This low one. What is this first part of your RAM? Okay. Here, I think for this particular one, the value is the same. Just that the length, the calculation is you need to measure from 2D, meaning what? Your ground level is these two reference that you need to measure the 2D distance. So from here, 1 to here. Okay, what's the value? 78,000. All right, 78,000. So 78,000 you got to divide, right? Divide by what? Divide by your height, which is here. So if you measure the height, should be this to this, 5250. Okay, so if I gonna select the RAM, it should show me 5250. So with this calculation, let's say 78,000. 78000 divided by 5250, your this angle, which is your MIL, oh sorry, Remax slope, is 14.8 something. But after we calculate, it's around 15. Right. But what I've calculated based on that is 14.85. Let me see. Yeah, I think we have record there. 14.85711429 or 1428. That is the slope value. Hold on. The 15 is the other one. So actually, this is the last one that we change, which is this. So I noticed that the value here is different. So this curve has been changed. But important thing is the inner curve is correct. So another word, you can still, this is correct, but you can see that here change because of this. You see or not? Because of the turning. Okay? That's why this slope, you notice that the model, this one align, this is align. But you can see there's a line here. This align is because of this one here. They stand out. All right. So it's a bit tricky. Hmm. So how to change this particular one? Let's see. Select this. Edit path. If I'm going to align this to this, apply and see what happens. Okay, the RAM in 3D. Seems like no change. No change, huh? Very weird. Oh, this is the railing. Ayo, what did I select? Wrongly. Undo. Select wrongly. Why did I modify the railing? Hold on. Railing can delete first if I don't need them. Important thing is the RAM. Yeah. Edit sketch. This part here, align this to this. Let's see how it works. Okay, in 3D. At least they increase. Only this part you got to sketch out. Okay. So this part, how you going to sketch out? Modify this. Edit, sketch path. Go to your plan, which is here. So this line, you got to pick the boundary, pick line. This one, and this one. Make sure these three are joined. 1, 2, and 3. Then you trim away this, which is you got to use your trim extend corner. 1, 2. If it cannot, then you got to lower it yourself. Hopefully able to snap correctly, but seems like accuracy is not there. Okay, let's take a look. Zoom in closer. Yeah. Okay, so sometimes you may want to do some stretching a bit, and hopefully that it does touch. It doesn't. See that? It doesn't snap on it. See the offset? Accuracy not there. No wonder it doesn't close. So you got to be careful. The line here, or the sketch line that we created, seems like there's a gap offset. Okay, zoom in, take a look. Any double line? Seems there's no. But it's here. Okay, there's an overlapping here. So this one here is for the other level, the other half. So that means there's an overlapping. All right. So double check. What's our width here? 79,000. 79,000 is correct. I think I did, yeah. 7.9 thousand. This is I did record, is correct. Okay. So width of your RAM is 7,009. It's only this curve we got to make sure it change, and I think because of a slight offset. So I might want to do some adjustment. Okay. Let's see, can we 5,008 is correct. See a RAM line, there's two line. So that's why there's a conflict here. Are you guys trying? Because your ground level, there's a lot of lines that are overlapping. Okay. Yeah. So you need to sort it out. Okay. Here look like it's joined, but it's not because of a slight offset. This is correct, but this up might not correct. So I got to do some adjustment. Maybe see where is the joint itself. Then you snap it from there as a guide. So let's say I'm going to use reference plane to roughly end the snap point, which is I think somewhere here. This is the line that we want. Okay, this is our sketch. This is the 2D line, which is this line here. I can't select, but this curve I will need to delete. Then I will make some changes up from this point to where? To this point that you snap. Okay, hopefully that they captured like this. A snap change is okay because this is just maybe 10 mm counting in construction, so it might not able to identify any changes. Of course, by right cannot be done that way lah. But this is just a model in a sense that depends on your 2D data or 3D data. Is it accurate? So accuracy is very important. All right, in this case. So important thing that they must be joined. Then here you try to join them up. Okay, finish it. Quick sketch. Anything that is not done, double check, because I need to see what is the error. More than one line overlapping, so there is something that is overlapping here. Okay, so I find it here. This one is too long. Okay, so I'm going to join it together, 1 and 2. Okay, so but I think now should be okay. Yep. So you edit this, you go to your 3D now, you should able to see the change. See, it look like this. Look at the RAM. See now. So you still need to get the semicircle before you edit. So this is what that time we would only do the inner one. All right. Because of the turning, they need more space. So this is the calculation part. I mean the manual sketch when you get the radius or get the spiral. Okay. So same thing applies here. So all these need to adjust correctly, then you can start to copy to other level. Any questions? If not, we can try to do the other one, which is that side here. It should be similar adjustment because the level should be the same. Okay, you guys want to do together? Hello, you're there? Or you're doing it? Only Jia Yi around, the rest not around. The rest, are they forgetting about the? Did they forget about today class or what? Jitao is here. Let me mark your attendance first. Jitao. Jitao, you're from design, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So looks like the rest mostly are not here. They log in, but I don't know where they go. Okay. I will pause this recording, so I'll record one more when we do the other RAM. So once two completed, then you can start to adjust the final background, then copy, duplicate, paste. After that, you can create all the structure. Initially, I didn't create the column. It's just that don't want to see the overlapping. You see, because column start to distract. Okay. If okay, I'll stop recording first for this